Good evening again. Here's a short video just showing everything put together, and going to turn it on and let you hear it from start, running to turning off. And that's it. As you can see, the white lithium grease on the bearings. Sort of see it through that one, but not really. Maybe see it in there. There's some oozing out of that one, which is fine. Ooze all you want, there's plenty in there. So anyway, here's just a photo and a video, some up close and personal views of the shaft. A little better view of what the shaft looks like when it came in. Any glare is from the light on my tablet. So Kenneth, this is for you. Mainly the whole video is for you, as you're able to see about the flywheel and how it ran. I'll turn it on real quick again. As you can see, it's just a little bit of run out, but not terrible. You guys have a good evening. Till next video. Bye bye.